reverse. First I put glue.
What is exactly that you're putting on the bowl?
Glue.
Is it blue?
First.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a lot. Right, guys? Oh. Let me see inside. Oh. Oh my gosh, look.
Go ahead, shake it, trying to put everything. Make sure nothing is
Inside.
You got it.
Shake.
Okay.
It was empty a little bit, and you just need a little bit more. That's it. Wait, guys, I'm gonna do the step back. Wait. And
Now you mix it, right? You're mixing a little bit. Mix it like 1 minute.
finish.
Mix it more. A little bit more. You have to mix it.
Now,
Yeah, now I think it looks like it's ready. So what is the next step? Show me what is it that you're gonna put in there. Let me see.
It's magical liquid.
Perfect.
Can somebody hold this for me? I'm gonna put this inside a little bit because I might make slime. And we have to make till it gets to slime. And it starts to get slimy. Cool, right guys? Just me a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Oh, now, in this egg, I had to mix it with my hands. I got the harder than Wait, can somebody help me? That can help me.
What kind of help do you need? What do you need? A little bit more?
Yeah.
More liquid?
Oh yeah, it's okay. I can make a mess. Oh. Oh, that is not it. It's not slime yet. It's a little bit of slime, but I just have to like mix it more. That's good? No. Okay, that's good.
What about if you put a little bit more?
Yeah, that's like, it's gonna take for
The magical liquid. That's how it calls. Okay.
yeah, magical liquids had to work. It's had to work because this is activator and it's working.
So now it's working, huh?
Yeah, because like it's like sticky. Look at the harder than a bag. This is like silver. I can't. That is stick to my hand. I had to let it like. Wait a minute.
So this is your first time doing that?
Yeah. I want to make slime in my mom.
Alright, you know, it's not bad for your first time, right? Next time it will be better?
Yeah, it's okay because it turns out fine. Everything turns
More
out
liquid,
fine.
okay.
I'm so sorry. Oh, now it's working. It's working, not sticking. Oh, I just need... Wait, can't this way get out that way? I just need to mix. This is good, guys. Okay. Oh, okay, that's it's a slime, like everybody do it and it gets slime. Look, guys. Oh, come on.
You think it's ready now?
Yeah.
Show me how ready
Bye,
it is.
guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of magic liquid because I hope this works, and I can show my grandma because today's her birthday.
Okay, so bye everybody.
Make sure
For next time.
click the button and give me 1,500,000 likes to my videos because and you wanna watch my grandma's birthday? Watch it. It's in my description to Jayla's fun videos. Bye!